Shreya, are you on your period?
No, I'm not. Oh my god, I didn't bring any pads.
Me too. Oh wait, we can use the vending machine provided by the school.
Let's go! Hi, Daniel. Hi. What's up?
I'm on my period, but I can't afford math.
Asuna, help me. I'm having my period cramp right now.
Oh, I'm so sorry, but don't worry. I've got this heat pack and also painkiller for you.
Wow, where did you get it?
I got it from the vending machine provided by the school. It's specifically there for women who's experiencing their period. Hygia, the feminine vending machine, a convenient solution for all women needs. Our innovation will be placed in all girls' schools and mid schools. Therefore, we can help female students and teachers who are finding difficulties while on the go. We can help ease the needs to buy feminine hygiene products. Therefore, since the cost of the product is high worldwide, we decided to invent an easy way out.
Moreover, we truly believe that our innovation can help female students or teachers who are experiencing period cramps with the heat packs and painkillers provided. To sum up, this vending machine provides immediate access to menstrual products anytime. Also, this proposal would be a step in addressing period poverty, especially in the fourth class, and can help counter the cost of living among female students and teachers.
Small and simple is what we aim for in the design of our product. This vending machine offers a range of menstrual and personal care to women. The estimated area of the vending machine is around 300 centimeters square. The design is made to look modern. Other than that, it is made to provide women with whatever important needs such as heat pads or painkillers during their menstrual cycle week. To ensure the safety of our items inside of the machine, we will be using a coin lock mechanism that will be explained further on by
me. So, the coin lock mechanism is used to secure trolleys in shopping malls or even school lockers. The mechanism used in these coin locks are spring-loaded. Therefore, simply push in a large 50 Malaysian cent into the coin slot and take out your item. And simply after you're done taking the item, push back the container in and you're done. You have your little 50 cent out. And good news, the items are free.
There are a total of 9 bulk items which are wood, spring, plastic balls and 1 synthetic umbrella. Additionally, the items that will be placed in the product are a box of pad which is around 8 ringgit to 20 ringgit, a heat pad which is 2 ringgit 30 cents, disposable underwear which is 22 ringgit 80 cents, and painkillers which is around 6 ringgit to 40 ringgit. The estimated total price of the product will be around 186 ringgit 10 cents.